Welcome to Service Plus. At the rear of the unit on the passenger side is located the lubrication and maintenance interval chart. You can use this as a guide to preform necessary maintenance items at the required times. Here we will go over the lubrication review, and the maintenance will be in a separate video. We'll start with the daily maintenance items listed in red by greasing the IBS bearing. It is important that you put 1 pump of lithium grease into the grease point that is located at the back of the mixer every day before pouring concrete. This will help reduce the chance of bearing failure. Weekly maintenance items are listed in orange. We'll start by greasing the swivel chute with lithium grease. Note, not all units are equipped with a swivel chute. Next on the weekly checks is to grease the mixer hopper swivel using lithium grease. Continuing with the weekly checks, you'll need to grease the fairlead with lithium grease. This grease point is located at the base of the hoist cylinder. Next, we'll move on to number 8 on the checklist, greasing the swivel cylinder with lithium grease. This grease point is located on the back side of the swivel mechanism. Number 9 on the list is grease the carrier bearing with lithium grease. This grease point is located at the discharge end of the mixer. The final weekly check is to grease the cement bin drive clutch with lithium grease. This grease point is located at the top of the cement bin selector handle. This allows the lever to move smoothly between the different speeds. Monthly maintenance items are listed in yellow. The first monthly check is to grease the transport hooks with lithium grease. This one grease point is located next to the platform support and feeds into 3 separate points on the hooks. Next on the monthly list is to grease the fiber chopper mount with lithium grease. This grease point is located on the swivel point of the fiber chopper. Number 13 on the list is to grease the PTO drive shaft with lithium grease. You will find it located underneath the cab of the truck where the drive shaft connects to the PTO on the transmission. The next monthly check is to lubricate the drive chains with dry graphite. All the drive chains are located underneath the cement bin behind multiple covers. Next up is the quarterly maintenance items listed here in blue. The first quarterly maintenance item is to grease the 4 conveyor belt bearings with lithium grease. These are 2 bearings at the rear of the unit beneath the covers and 2 bearings at the front of the unit. The second quarterly maintenance item is to grease the auger chain coupler with lithium grease. And finally, yearly maintenance items are listed in green. The one maintenance item that needs to be checked yearly is greasing the PTO pump shaft with lithium grease. This is located where the drive shaft comes into the hydraulic pump and is typically underneath the water tank. If you have any further questions, be sure to contact Cementech at 1-800-247-2464, Cementech Connect, or via email at service@cementech.com.